In this video, I will show you how to turn photo into anime character in Canva. So to be able to do that, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Canva. So in here, go ahead and sign into your account. Click on the create button at the top left of your screen, and then in here, simply click on upload. Now click on upload files, and from your local drive, go ahead and open your file that you want to turn into a anime character. So click on this use in a new design button and click on custom size. Now this will redirect you into a new page where you can find your uploaded photo. And here, simply what you'll need to do is to wait for this to load. Once this loads, click on the apps button at the left side of your screen and search for Animify. So this app will allow you to turn your photos into anime characters on Canva. So simply search for that and click on that. So simply click on Animify and click on the open button to open the app on Canva. And here what you'll need to do is to go ahead and upload your image. So click on choose file, and then from your local drive, click on the specific image that you want to turn into anime. Now click on Animify image, and this will load. So the duration of the loading would vary depending on how fast is your internet connection. So wait for processing and let Canva transform your image into an anime style version. So we'll need to wait for this for a while since my internet connection is quite slow. Now once this has loaded, you'll simply need to click on this add to design button to paste this animified photo into your canvas. So simply go ahead and resize this to fit the custom size of your canvas. And that's basically how you can turn photo into anime character in Canva. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into our channel to keep updated with our latest videos.